Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at the latest and greatest products. Today, we're going to explore a vacuum that promises to make cleaning a breeze. The Kenmore 200 Series DS2000 Cordless Stick Vacuum. This vacuum aims to combine power, convenience, and versatility in a sleek, lightweight design. But does it deliver on those promises? Let's find out. The Kenmore 200 Series DS2000 is a cordless stick vacuum powered by a 21.6 volts lithium-ion battery, offering up to 40 minutes of runtime on hard floors and carpets. Now, that's a solid claim for a cordless model, especially considering that vacuuming typically demands a lot of power. The vacuum features a self-standing design, so you don't have to worry about it tipping over while you take a break or move things around. It also includes a foldable handle, making it easy to store in tight spaces, a major plus for anyone with limited closet space. But there's more. You can convert it into a handheld vacuum in just a few seconds, weighing in at under 3 pounds, which makes it ideal for cleaning tight spots like vehicles, boats, or even upholstery. When it comes to cleaning performance, this vacuum boasts a 2-speed power suction setting and swivel steering, designed to help you navigate around corners and obstacles with ease. The LED headlight is another feature worth mentioning. It can light up those hard-to-see areas like underneath furniture, helping ensure you don't miss any dirt. But let's dive deeper and see how it performs in real-world conditions. In terms of cleaning power, the 2-speed settings are a nice touch, allowing you to adjust based on the type of surface you're cleaning. On carpets, the vacuum offers decent suction that lifts embedded dirt and pet hair, although you might notice some areas need a second pass, especially with thicker carpets. On hard floors, it shines. The suction is strong enough to pick up fine dust and crumbs without leaving residue behind. For those with pets, the Kenmore 200 Series DS2000 is solid, handling pet hair fairly well, but larger fur balls may require a bit more effort to fully pick up. The suction is generally consistent, but like many cordless vacuums, it does lose some power when the battery is running low, especially on higher settings. Assembly is simple, with minimal effort required to get it up and running. The handle easily clicks into place, and the dustbin is easy to detach and empty, making maintenance pretty straightforward. However, like most cordless vacuums, the dustbin isn't massive, so you may need to empty it more frequently, especially during larger cleaning sessions. If you have a lot of floor space or pets that shed heavily, this could be a consideration. The swivel steering is a great feature for maneuvering around furniture and tight spaces. It's fluid, smooth, and makes navigating corners less of a hassle. The weight is another highlight. It feels light in hand, even when using it in handheld mode, which is a big plus for those who need to clean stairs or upholstery without straining. However, there are a couple of downsides. First, while the 40-minute runtime is great on paper, it drops significantly when using the vacuum on high-speed mode or with attachments. It's manageable for quick cleaning sessions, but long, intensive cleaning may require a recharge. The noise level is also something to note. It's not the quietest vacuum, so if you're sensitive to sound or need to clean during nap time, it might be a bit too loud for comfort. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Kenmore 200 Series DS2000 is competitively priced in the mid-range market, which puts it in direct competition with similar cordless stick vacuums. When compared to other vacuums in the same price range, this model stands out for its 2-in-1 functionality, decent battery life, and powerful suction for both carpets and hard floors. It's not necessarily a heavy-duty, high-end vacuum, but it gets the job done for most home environments, especially smaller spaces or apartments. When we consider alternatives, vacuums like the Shark Ion Flex 2X and Dyson V8 are worth comparing. The Shark offers a similar cordless design, but with more flexible functionality, while the Dyson, though more expensive, provides superior suction and battery life. However, for those looking for a solid, no-frills vacuum that does the job without breaking the bank, the Kenmore 200 Series DS2000 hits a sweet spot. In terms of build quality, it feels robust enough for the price point, with a solid plastic construction that doesn't feel flimsy. The brush roll is decent, but it can get tangled with long hair or pet fur, so regular maintenance is necessary to keep it running smoothly. The filter is washable, which helps in terms of both cost-saving and convenience, but it's not as high-end as some higher-priced models with HEPA filtration. If allergies are a major concern, you might want to look for a model with a more advanced filtration system. Customer support for Kenmore is generally known to be responsive, although there's little indication of any significant customer service issues with this model. The warranty is typical for this type of product, providing some peace of mind for buyers. So, who is the Kenmore 200 series DS2000 best suited for? It's ideal for people in smaller homes or apartments who need a compact, lightweight vacuum that can handle quick cleaning sessions on both carpets and hard floors. Pet owners will appreciate the detachable handheld function, though it might require some extra work on larger fur clumps. It's also a solid choice for those looking for something easy to store and maintain, thanks to the foldable handle and simple design. If you've enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a future review. We've got plenty of other products coming up, and you don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and remember, no mess is too big or small for Reviews Inside TV. See you next time, and may your cleaning always be effortless.